Hi sellers, welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to create a manual removal order in Amazon Seller Central to remove inventory from Amazon fulfillment centers. First, log into Seller Central. Tap the menu icon, go to Inventory, and click Manage All Inventory. Filter by Amazon under Fulfilled By, then select the ASIN or SKU you want to remove. From the Select Group Action dropdown, choose Create Removal Order. On the next page, choose how you want the inventory removed. Select Dispatch to Address to have it returned to you or Dispose to discard it. Your default return address will autofill. Click Change if you need to update it. Removal orders cannot be shipped outside the country of origin or to other Amazon FCs. Click Save to continue. You can enter a custom removal order ID or leave it blank for automatic generation. Enter the quantity for fulfillable or unfulfillable units, then click Review. Check all details carefully and click Confirm to submit. You'll receive a confirmation email once the order is created. Items remain available for sale until they are physically picked and packed. If a removal order is canceled, it is typically due to unavailable or transferring inventory. You may resubmit the request or contact seller support. That's it. You're now ready to create a removal order and manage your inventory efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy selling!